This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about bamboo organizers, specifically this bamboo packet organizer. The rectangle natural bamboo organizer is 8 1/4 inches by 7 1/2 by 4 1/2. It's available in multiple sizes, and you get various sizes on those openings in the different options and various configurations. You have your choice of the natural bamboo finish or also a black finish as well. They're perfect for organizing condiments, utensils, for putting out on or behind counters at self-service stations and even on the ends of buffets. So these are great for things like organizing your sauce packets like ketchup, relish, mustard, soy, for putting out things like plum sauce and duck sauce, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, salt and pepper packets, and more. They're also perfect for organizing things like drink stations. It's a great place to put out tea bags, to put in some instant coffee sticks, also to display things like your various sweeteners and even creamers. The bamboo they're made from is chip resistant and will maintain its look and hold up to really heavy use. It's also really easy to wipe down whenever needed. These are perfect for tea and coffee shops, for organizing your office break room, to use on a continental breakfast setup, or just for any establishment that's looking for great organizational tools and options for the front of the house.